I want to take you back a second. You remember those early days of remote learning? Everyone logging into Zoom like, can you hear me? Wait, you're muted. You're mute. And then there's that one student with their camera off, profile picture of a cat, logged in, but clearly not logged in, right? You're trying to take attendance, teach fractions, and manage a group chat that's devolved into send a meme if you're confused. Yeah, those are the days. And for many of us, they're still the days, right? Whether you're hybrid, fully virtual, or somewhere in between, one thing hasn't changed: creating a sense of belonging in a space that often feels, well, distant. If you've ever stared at a grid of blank squares, wondering if anyone's even listening, you're not alone. Virtual and hybrid spaces make the work of building community harder, but not impossible. Belonging isn't about being in the same room. It's about being seen, heard, and valued wherever you are. And when done right, online spaces can still feel warm, still feel human, still feel like school. Too often we treat virtual learning like a watered down version of the real thing. But belonging doesn't come from proximity. It comes from intentionality. And just like in-person classrooms, online spaces reflect the culture we build. Do students feel comfortable speaking up? Are their identities reflected in the digital environment? Do they feel missed when they're absent or just gone? Belonging online requires us to design for connection, not just compliance. So let's talk practical ways to bring heart into the hybrid. Strategy number 1, make virtual presence personal. Start class with simple rituals. One word to describe how you're feeling. Drop your favorite song in the chat. Who's someone you'd like to shout out this week? Camera's optional. Engagement, not surveillance. Normalize being human. That's what students will remember. Strategy number 2, build digital identity into the classroom. Use tools that let students create and share. Flip videos, Jamboard check-ins, custom avatars, choice-based assignments. Make the space reflect them, their voices, their choices, their cultures, their creativity. Belonging is about recognition, and that doesn't require a physical desk. Strategy number 3, check in even when they log out. If a student disappears, don't assume disinterest, assume disconnection, and respond with care, not consequence. A quick message like, hey, notice you weren't with us today. Everything okay? Or, missed your energy. Hope to see you tomorrow. See, that tiny gesture says you still matter. Virtual and hybrid learning isn't easy, but neither is belonging in any setting. You're already doing more than most just by caring enough to try. By not settling for silence. By reaching through the screen and saying, you belong with us. Because at the end of the day, belonging isn't about bandwidth or breakout rooms. It's about how we make people feel. And if you're creating even one moment of connection in a digital world, listen, that's real. And that's very powerful. That's enough to build on. So keep showing up, keep designing for joy, keep leading with heart, on screen and off.